Now we're going to quickly talk about how to create a discussion question on Edline. A discussion question, of course, is a question that students, once they log into your class in Edline, can respond to, and then they can even respond to other people who have responded. And it's a great way to get the class involved into a much more engaging assignment than, say, your typical reading of a chapter and answering questions in your book. Discussion questions are a very easy and fun way to get kids involved. So to create a discussion question, the first thing you want to do is go to Edit This Page. Then you're going to mouse over the content section and hit the plus sign. Now you're going to get your usual menu that pops up. In this case, we are going to be doing a discussion question. And this is where you want to name it. In this case, we'll just put test discussion. And then, of course, you can add the content. You can put a date. You can upload a video clip. This is also a way of how you would add videos or pictures. Say you wanted to embed a YouTube video or put a political cartoon. This is the place that you would do that. You can put your content in here and say, I'm asking some really wonderful questions. And then once you get all this information filled out, you can share it with multiple classes here. If you want to share with, say, another class, you could put it here. Comments. The one thing I would recommend is that you do not keep the default setting. Do not allow anonymous contents. That's just a recipe for disaster with kids. You also want to uncheck require approval of comments before making visible to others. Now, the reason you might want to uncheck this is because it's going to send you an email every time somebody posts something. So your inbox could get quite full. But if you take off, if you do not allow anonymous comments, you're going to know based on their Edline sign-in who and when they made a comment if it happened to be inappropriate. So I always uncheck that. And then you're done. Save and return. So now when you click Done on the home page of your class, you can see it has this little bubble icon, and that is your test discussion. Now here is your test discussion question, which you could see was very riveting. And then you can, of course, leave a comment and then hit Post Comment. Notice that it puts my name, because that's how I logged in there. So you'll be able to tell who commented and when they actually commented. And when you're done looking at it, you click Done. And that is how you make a discussion question in Edline.